Good morning everyone, I am Anushka and I am here to let you understand Simpson's one-third and Simpson's 3/8 rule. Simpson's one-third rule is used to find the approximate value of a definite integral. In order to prove Simpson's one-third rule, let fx, which is the function of x variable, be the real value continuous function defined on closed interval a to b. Now we have to find integration of fx dx from lower limit a to upper limit b. In order to find this, we have to divide the graph of fx into even partition of parabola. And here we have to use this graph in order to prove this rule, because we have to find the integration of, we have to find the area of this graph, and we divide this graph into few number of parabola and find the area of parabola and add it together. Here we take this one as a parabola and write it as area of parabola x0, y0, y1, y2 and x2. Similarly, we take this one as a parabola and write it as area of parabola x2, y2, y3, y4 and x4. Similarly, we take the last term and write it as area of parabola xn minus 2, yn minus 2, yn minus 1, yn and xn. As we all know that the area of parabola is h by 3, y0 plus 4y1 plus y2, and the area of second parabola is h by 3, y2 plus 4y3 plus y4. Similarly, the area of parabola of the last term is h by 3, yn minus 2 plus 4 yn minus 1 plus yn. Here we take h by 3 as a common and write the first and last term separately, and then all the terms which has 4 as a coefficient will write it as there, that is we can write it as h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus dot yn minus 1, and the remaining terms which has 2 as a coefficient we write it as 2 into y2 plus y4 plus y6 plus dot yn minus 2. So we got the formula of Simpson's one-third as integral fx dx from lower limit a to upper limit b is h by 3 y0 plus yn plus 4 into odd terms plus 2 into even terms. Now Simpson's 3/8 rule. In order to prove Simpson's one-third rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, let fx, which is the function of x variable, be the real value continuous function defined on closed interval a to b. And now we have to also find the integration of fx dx from lower limit a to upper limit b. Here we divide the graph of fx into even partition of parabola where n is equals to multiple of 3, and we take the value of h is equals to b minus a upon n. And here integral fx dx from lower limit a to upper limit b is equals to area of parabola x0, y0, y1, y2, y3 and x3 plus dot we take the last term as area of parabola xn minus 3, yn minus 3, yn minus 2, yn minus 1 and xn. Here the area of parabola is written as 3h by 8 y0 plus 3y1 plus 3y2 plus y3. And similarly, the area of parabola of last term is written as 3h by 8 yn minus 3 plus 3yn minus 2 plus 3yn minus 1 plus yn. We take 3h by 8 as a common and write the first and last term together, that is y0 plus yn, and all the terms which has 3 as a coefficient we will write it together and add the terms. So here we take 3h by 8 as a common and write the first and last term together. So the formula of Simpson's 3/8 is 3h by 8 y0 plus y1 plus 2 into y3 plus y6 plus y9 plus yn minus 3 and 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus yn minus 2. That's all from my side about Simpson's one-third and 3/8 rule. Thank you.